One and all present here. Today our group, that is group number C15, is going to give you a brief description about our major project. The topic for our major project was design and analysis of steering system and suspension system of an ADV vehicle. As we all know that these two are very essential for the effective functioning of the vehicle. So in order to achieve the effectiveness, we are very much precise in its manufacturing and design. Now let's come and discuss more about the steering system first. Steering system is a system of components and linkages, etc., which allows the vehicle to be steered in the desired course. The steering system requirements are very much precise, and the designer has to keep the following points in the mind, which are excellent maneuverability, the proper steering effort, smooth recovery, and it should also be kept in mind that minimum torque should be transferred from the rods to the steering wheel. So the steering system comprises of the following elements: steering wheel, steering column, steering arm, knuckle head, and the wheel assembly. These all linkages comprises of the steering system, and the proper assembly of these linkages are very important so that the driver can perform its functions very efficiently. Now the steering system that we opted is consisting of Ackermann geometry. We consider this geometry because it is more suitable for low speed vehicles like the vehicles which are traveling for 45 to 50 kilometers per hour speed, and it is also very simple to manufacture it and design it. It gives us a very confident designing procedure that we can follow and imply efficiently and effectively within the time. And now our friend is going to give us a brief description about the suspension system.
Now let's discuss about the designing of suspension system. Suspension system comes under the vehicle dynamics. Vehicle dynamics is the study of all of performance of an automobile, all of its motion like ride, braking, cornering and acceleration. And suspension play key role in all of its motion. So now discuss about the selection parameter of suspension system. The selection parameters are motion ratio, wheel rate, spring rate, angle correction factor, and camber angle, caster thrust, camber thrust, and anti-dive and anti-squat geometry. So now discuss one by one. So we start with wheel travel. According to off-road vehicle, we select wheel travel 10 inch ATV, 4 ATV. And now discuss about motion ratio. The motion ratio of our vehicle is 0.6. The definition of motion ratio is that it is the ratio of wheel travel and shock travel. We select motion ratio as close to 1 as possible so that we can select our suspension arm as light as possible. It increases the power to weight ratio of our vehicle, and it also affects on the performance of an automobile. Now discuss about the installation ratio. Installation ratio is multiplication of motion ratio and angle correction factor. So for discussing about the installation ratio, let's discuss about the angle correction factor. The angle correction factor is the angle of our spring with the vertical. So let's say multiply with the angle correction factor with the motion ratio, we achieved installation ratio of our vehicle. So after installation ratio is achieved, we calculate wheel rate, because wheel rate is the ratio of spring rate divided by installation ratio. After that we calculate wheel rate, then we calculate other factor like roll movement and roll gradient of our vehicle. The roll movement is achieved by measuring the distance between the CG of our vehicle and the roll center of our vehicle. After measuring this distance, we calculate roll movement. After calculating the roll movement, we calculate roll gradient. Roll gradient is the angle of our ATV during the turn. Now my friend Vikram will explain further.
By considering each and everything of the suspension department and the steering department, we have manufactured and designed this vehicle in accordance with other teams of the vehicle that needed to make a complete vehicle. So in a whole, we have designed a complete ATV, and the contribution of our group was the perfect and efficient working steering system and suspension system. That's it. Thank you.